Well, hello again and welcome back to my channel, and yes, some incredible news for the channel. I have teamed up with the good folk from Creality who are just about to launch their brand new product, the Creality Falcon 2 22-watt laser engraver. The 22-watt laser is their most powerful laser yet, and it will cut through 15mm of wood in a single pass, 10mm of black acrylic or 0.05mm of stainless steel in a single pass. It contains their groundbreaking integrated air assist technology, which manually allows you to adjust the air assist through a control knob, or it can automatically adjust the airflow through Lightburn. There are triple monitoring systems tracking the airflow in case you need to adjust the rate, a built-in lens monitor which will trigger an alarm if the lens gets too dirty, avoiding breakage, and also a flame monitoring system, so when a flame is detected, the indicator will flash red along with an alarm sounding which will shut down the machine immediately. There are 5 safety protections in place, a bidirectional limit switch, so in the unlikely event the laser was to come into contact with the machine housing, then it would automatically shut down and an alarm would sound. In addition to that, it has the active stop function, so if the machine was to tilt or fall over, again it would automatically shut down and the alarm would go off. It also has a secure lock design, emergency stop button and a laser protective cover. Now, for someone who's only working with one functioning arm and hand, one of the major appeals for me is the frame is pre-assembled, so it only needs 3 easy steps for full assembly. Now, to celebrate the launch of the Falcon 2, Creality will be holding a flash sale which commences on the 14th of February at 2 p.m. UTC, which used to be known as GMT, and runs through until the 17th of February. The recommended retail price for this product is £1,099 and the flash sale price is £919, but I have managed to secure a further discount for my subscribers and followers, so if you use the code Falcon2 you will get an extra £50 off, which brings the grand total of the sale price to £869. Now, I am really looking forward to getting this machine into the workshop, because as someone who just runs a small independent business, I think it'll just open up a wide range of opportunities for me, and I also look forward to reviewing it on the channel in future content. Now, if you're interested in this product, there's links in the description, folks, so follow those links and that will take you through and you can order your new Creality 22-watt Falcon 2. Okay, as ever everyone, take care, look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.